This is a hazardous weather update regarding the winter storm impacting the Utah mountains and the Colorado mountains this weekend into early next week. This storm will also be impacting several of the valley locations, especially across northwest Colorado and into the southwest portions of the state, including Pagosa Springs and the Durango area. Currently in effect across the Colorado Rockies and the eastern Utah mountains are winter storm warnings. These are in effect from today through early Monday morning. Total snowfall in these mountain areas will range from 10 to 20 inches. There will be breaks in the snowfall from time to time, so don't expect a continuous period of snowfall. But overall, we are expecting significant accumulations over the next 48 hours. In the lower valleys, including Craig, Meeker, Dinosaur, the Durango and Pagosa Springs areas, we also have winter storm warnings in effect. From today through tonight, total snowfall in these areas will range from 4 to 8 inches. And we also have winter weather advisories in effect along the Interstate 70 corridor, in the Gunnison region, and in the Vernal and Steamboat Springs areas, and in the Four Corners region, including Cortez. We are expecting periods of snowfall from time to time as a cold front approaches the region from the west. This will bring periods of heavy snow just along and behind the front. This heavier snowfall is not expected to last all day, and showers will become more scattered in nature once the front passes, but snowfall nonetheless will amount to several inches of heavy wet snow, resulting in slick conditions on area roadways. Here we are looking at a water vapor satellite image, which has given us an indication of the storm building across the Central Rockies and across the Great Basin. We do have an upper level low pressure system that will be deepening near the Four Corners region, and then will be lifting northeast into the plains over the next 24 to 36 hours. This storm will be gaining strength throughout the day, and we do expect to see strong southerly flow across the area, resulting in gusty winds, especially at mountaintop levels. Wind speeds in excess of 50 miles an hour can be expected at the highest elevations. Here's a surface map of the winter storm impacting the region. The cold front across Utah will be lifting to the east and northeast throughout the day today, and eventually push through the Rockies by early this afternoon. The areas in the white hash mark indicate potential regions of heavy snowfall throughout today and Sunday and into the early portions of the new week. Here's the expected track of the upper level low pressure system as it leaves the Colorado Rockies. By this evening, we expect a low pressure system to be located in east central Colorado, lifting northeast into the Great Lakes region by Monday morning. There is additional storm energy coming down the backside of this system that will be sweeping through the Colorado Rockies late Sunday evening through Monday morning. At this time, there are numerous winter storm warnings, watches, advisories, and even blizzard warnings and watches across the plains. All these hazardous weather highlights are in effect from today through early next week. So if you're planning travel anywhere throughout the region over the next 48 hours, check your latest forecast before heading out. This storm will be tracking into the Great Lakes region, impacting those areas by Tuesday. If you need travel information, you can dial 511 for the latest road conditions across Utah and Colorado, or you can visit the Colorado Department of Transportation website at cotrip.org, or the Department of Transportation in Utah at commuterlink.utah.gov. Do expect significant travel delays across the region today as the snow continues to pile up and the higher passes become snow-packed and icy. Chain laws will likely be in effect throughout this period. If you'd like to share your reports with us, please do so. You can find us on Facebook by searching for the U.S. National Weather Service, Grand Junction, Colorado. Send in your reports on that page, or you can send us a tweet at NWSGJT. We also have a new YouTube service that we will be developing over the next few months, so expect to see more of these media type briefings along with helpful videos for additional weather information. And a few winter safety tips as you head outdoors. Listen to your NOAA weather radio or your local media outlets for the most recent updates to this winter storm. Or visit us at the National Weather Service Grand Junction website at weather.gov/GJT for other critical weather information. If you do need to drive, only do so if it's absolutely necessary. But please travel during the day, never travel alone, and inform others of your schedule. Try to stay on the main roads and highways if possible. And if you need to pack a disaster kit, be sure to include a shovel, a windshield scraper, flashlight, batteries, snack food, extra hats, gloves, and mittens, a first aid kit, necessary medications, blankets, and snow chains and/or ropes. This concludes this hazardous weather briefing for the February 9th through the 11th winter storm impacting the Utah and Colorado region. Additional updates will be issued as necessary. Thanks and have a great day.